Sometimes that's all people need, it's just somebody to listen. Right, morning guys. Got a bit of a different one for you today. It's a serious video, not pissing around, and there's a really valid reason for it. I know that a lot of you probably don't read the comments on my videos, and why would you? I don't read a lot of the comments on other people's videos, so I get it. I don't expect you to. I do. I read every comment, so every single comment gets a response on my videos, everyone. And what I've started noticing is there's a bit of a trend. A lot of people, and it's men. It's 100% men. Are commenting saying, "Thank you for this. I'm in a really low way, and it's really giving me a pick me up. It's like sorted me out. You know, this." Hold on a sec. I've got a call coming through. Right, sorry about that, guys. I've got a recovery call coming. Another one. Busy today. I can't remember really where I was because I've just done a lot of words have just come out of my face. So let's try and pick out where we left off. So I get a lot of messages in the comments of my videos that say, "Thanks Ben, I really love your videos, get really excited when they're coming out because I'm having a rough time and they make me laugh, they make me smile, I like your energy," all that sort of stuff. And that's really lovely, especially because I've been through a little bit of a thing at them recently where I've been thinking about maybe stopping doing the videos because it's a lot of work goes into it, and sometimes I put a video out and it only gets like, it feels like no one's seeing them. It is what it is. I do enjoy it though, so I'm not going to stop. I fucking hate this road. Good old Lincolnshire. This is why the house prices are cheap, Ben. Oh, stop getting distracted. So, yeah, loads of comments about people struggling with their mental health and they're feeling low, feeling rough, and they watch my videos and for some reason it seems to be helping people, and that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. If it's giving you a little something that makes you smile once a week, twice a week when I can, then great. I always put a comment and reply to these comments, right? And I say, look, one thing about being a recovery driver is I am always the guy that answers the phone. I will always answer the phone. Now the problem is, sometimes when I am in a very deep sleep, I wake up and I say utter ridiculous stuff. Like the first thing I might say might be something along the lines of, "Why is there no cheese on the drive?" or something like that. I come out with utter crap, and anyone who's ever woken me up will know that I come out with some utter stupid things. So sometimes I might take a couple of seconds just to gather my thoughts, realise I am an adult human being and not like a 4-year-old kid or something when I wake up. But if I don't answer the call, I will phone you back within a minute. I got a call at 3 o'clock this morning from a gentleman who will obviously remain nameless, and I'm not going to say where he is either. But he phoned me in a bit of a state and he was having a bit of a rough time. I'm not going to go into details. He was having a tough time. He just wanted a chat. Well, another thing about me is once I'm awake, I'm awake. So I was like, do you fancy going for a drive? So I've gone and met the guy and we've had a chat. So I've left him hoping, and I know he's going to watch this, I hope you're feeling a little bit better. It was lovely to meet you. He's a veteran, can relate. The long and the short of it is, I want to say this, serious video now, no pissing around. If you ever feel yourself in a situation where you're feeling like you can't cope or you're struggling, whatever, if you want a no judgment chat, no matter where you are, give me a call, alright? I will always answer the phone, I will always listen, and I will always offer zero judgment. I will just listen. Sometimes that's all people need, it's just somebody to listen. I won't labour the point anymore. Normal service will resume in a minute. I'm going to film another video and we'll start pissing around. I'm probably going to have a double espresso to wake myself up a little bit and get a little bit of energy. But yeah, the sentiment stands, guys. If you ever want to chat, you know where I am. Alright? Much love. Take care. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes.